We're here today at Canadian Tire Motorsport Park with the whole team. We got beautiful weather. We have our 993, our 1997, 911 Carrera.
We're going to have a professional driver here take our car out before we've done any work on the car.
All parts provided are going to be Porsche OEM parts.
We're going to be doing a little bit of everything, from suspension to brakes to interior to paint to engine work and transmission work.
I can't wait to make this thing look like a sheet of glass. One of the things I really love about this car, it's still a mechanical car.
Well, I think that's one of the most beautiful cars Porsche ever built. The 993 is the class car. Now automatic, 6-speed transmission. It's absolutely beautiful.
This car here is all those things of an air-cooled car that's been refined to the nth degree. It is probably the best sample of an air-cooled Porsche that Porsche ever made.
We can't wait to continue to update you on this car. The team is very excited to get their hands on it. We're going to be using classic parts. The whole team will be involved. We'll be updating on the challenges and our accomplishments along the way.